Step back in time with this stunning 1940 Plymouth Business Coupe, now available for $14,400 in Prince George, British Columbia. This classic beauty boasts a striking blue exterior paired with a cozy tan cloth interior, offering a taste of vintage elegance. With an odometer reading of just 58,799 miles, believed to be original, and a rebuilt flat-six engine coupled with a manual transmission, it's ready to hit the road once more. Fully restored and in excellent condition, this car has seen thoughtful upgrades, including a front disc brake conversion and all-new wiring. Having been cherished by the same family since 1970, this coupe represents a piece of automotive history worth preserving. With its recent safety inspection and thorough mechanical updates, this establishment stands as a worthy investment for any classic car enthusiast. Don't miss your chance. Check the link in the description for more information and stunning photos.